guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip. I completed my eyebrows off camera, but if you want to see how to achieve these eyebrows, just make sure you click the link up here. First, I'm going to start by moisturizing my lips. I used the Vaseline. To prime my eyelids, I use LA Thrill Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Make sure you blend with the blending brush right here all over your eyelids. Today we're going to be using the BH Cosmetic Weekend Festival palette. Using the color Escape, we're going to be placing the color all over our crease, making sure to blend everything together using a blending brush. Going back into the palette using the color Candy, we're going to be placing the color all over basically kind of our lid and up to the crease, making sure everything is nicely blended. Going into the palette using the color Dippy, we're going to be placing the color a little bit near the end of our eyelid and a little bit in the crease, blending it a little bit also on the lid. Taking the color Solstice, we're going to be putting it on our lid and blending it nicely into the pink that we just recently added. Taking the color Candy and Dippy, we're going to be taking both colors and making sure to blend everything together, also into our crease and into the V side of our eyelid. Going back into the color Escape, we're going to be adding it a little bit higher from where we added the pink colors together, blending everything together. I'm going to be using eyeliner and applying my lashes. Everything that we used today in this video will be linked down in the description box. So now I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my foundation routine. And again, if you want to see all the products name and color shades that I used, it's going to be linked down in the description box. For lips, I used my favorite lip combination, the Cookies and Cream NYX Duo Ombre color. I also used the NYX Duo Ombre lip shade, the pink shade. I forgot what it's called, but it's going to be linked down below for you guys. I also added some mascara. I used the Pure Cosmetics mascara, my favorite mascara. And then now moving on into the bottom lash. We're going to be using the two colors, Escape and Dippy, putting it under a lash. And a little bit of Solstice, putting it in the corner to make it look shiny and bright. I added also some mascara on my bottom lash. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!